So I'm gonna try some backwoods engineering here.
It works.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Handy Matt, and today I'm gonna do a long overdue video. This is a basically an update on my trailer build, where I turned my flatbed into basically a box trailer. It's supposed to be a one trip wonder, and it's turned into a 2-year storage facility so far, and a lot of people are asking how well it's holding up. So today, really quickly, I'm going to go over it and show you how it's holding up and what I've been doing to kind of keep it in okay shape. But the roof is doing really good because, well, I made it out of billboard tarp. But let's do a walkthrough and walk around, and then I'll walk through and I'll show you how it's faring. So over on this side against the fence, you can see I put a little zip tape on here, help seal the seams up. This is a result of using some very cheap utility plywood. Like I said, I expected it to be just a one-trip wonder. So there's going to be some patching I'm going to have to do if I continue to use it as a storage facility. Come back around to this side. Same thing over here. Delamination on the plywood. It's not meant for outdoor use, but it's lightweight, and that's what I needed. I'm gonna climb up here. See the roof. I believe a raccoon has been up here, but yeah, the Geico tarp is holding up pretty good. Try to get down here without killing myself. But yeah, still on there, holding up pretty good. You gotta air that tire up. Go on the inside here. It's a little bit dark, but for the roof part, there is no leakage, no water damage at all on the roof, and it's still really sturdy. But along the walls, yes, a little bit of water damage here and there. But my stuff in here is staying dry. I don't really have anything of a value in here, so if I had anything, had a minor leak for a couple days I didn't catch, I'd be all right. But yeah, holding up pretty good. There's a few spiders in here, but not a big deal. While we're here, there's a chicken plucker. I did a review video on that a while back. You should go look at it. I completely trashed that Chinese company, and rightfully so. They deserved it. Here's a Craftsman jointer I picked up recently. This will be a restoration project coming up on the channel. There's my big Linde welder. She's a beast. I also have over here, there's a homemade wood lathe down here. This is my Craftsman radial arm saw. That's coming up. That's going to be a big video. Then, what is this little motor? It's an Evinrude. It's a tiny one. Can't remember exactly how old it is, but it's pretty old. That's coming up. I'm trying to find a cap for it. Yeah, so this is the Mercury 39, old Forest Service motor. Runs great, but it needs this rebuild kit I got up here. Sorry, you don't get to see my address, even though that's my old address. But anyway, she's holding up all right. And got an old TV that actually works. There's gonna be a project on that when I get to the new shop, whenever that's gonna happen. But all in all, this trailer's holding up pretty good. Hey, come on, kitty, come on. You gotta go out. He got himself locked in here about 2 weeks ago, and I stepped away to go grab something, throw it in here, and I didn't realize he had snuck in the back, and I locked him in. Come on, out, 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 out. Scoop, 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 scoop. Yeah, I locked him in. He was in there for like 24 hours. So, all right, come here. Say goodbye to the good folks. All right, anyway, that's it for this video. Best way to support my channel, share this video, hit the subscribe button, like button, drop a comment or two, and I'll see you tomorrow. Laters.